What's up, guys? Hyundai Elantra. We're gonna clean the throttle body. We're gonna pop this guy open right here. We're gonna loosen that up, okay? And this is a flexible line, so I could just take this whole air filter housing and put it to the side. Nothing else is there to bother us. So this guy will just gently, what happened here? Okay, this something was holding on to this. There you go. So there it is. There's the throttle body. So a lot of people would ask me, can I pry that open? I usually kind of lightly clean it off. You don't have to go crazy. You're not gonna eat off it. If you're gonna clean this surface over here, it's not gonna bother the air from going in, okay? So if you're cleaning the inside, the whole thing, don't take it apart. You will cause other issues. So I just want to clean light amount around it. So there's our throttle body cleaner right there. So what I want to do here is I am gonna spray this little bit onto the throttle body, little bit here, so you don't have to go crazy, okay? There you go. So I'm gonna get all the carbon out. Be careful with the filter, so I'm gonna just try to kind of go a little bit ahead of the filter housing and a little bit more. Same thing on the top. There you go. So all the stuff is gonna come out. That's how simple this is. So if you could do that every 30,000 miles or 20,000 miles, that's beautiful. It doesn't have to be shiny, eating through, as long as that flap can move around freely and easily without anything jamming it up. Especially when the winter comes around, it will jam up because it will freeze up, okay? And it will harden up. So there goes that. This is a 2013 GT. Very simple to work with. So this guy goes right on. This guy goes right on. Okay, there it is. Everything. I'm gonna have a little bit of difficulty with this clamp. This is a shitty clamp. Kind of moves on its own. So I'm gonna have to hold that with the hand. Put the camera to the side, and I'm gonna just tighten this up. See how things just mess with you? There you go. Give me a little bit of life there. Oh, it kind of popped out of the housing. Okay, I'll fix that up and lock that clamp up. Just tighten it up and you're good to go. Okay, I just want to let you guys know, when you clean the throttle body, so once you clean it, your RPM is going to be more healthy, meaning the RPM might go a little bit high. It might be a little bit more higher than expected. So some cars, check engine will come on, RPM is higher than expected. Then you have to do an idle relearn, okay? Which takes a few days. It will learn on its own, okay? Don't do anything crazy. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video. But this is one of the great service you could do that will make your engine breathe better. It will make your fuel economy better. It will make your air to fuel ratio mixture better. Horsepower will be gained up. You might not feel it, but it is there. Thank you for watching.